guys, Linda here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making Vietnamese banh mi. I recently made some pickled daikon carrots, and that was what really inspired me to make this sandwich here. If you want to see my version of banh mi, just keep on watching. And the teriyaki sauce I'm going to be using today is this one right here from the Canon brand. And what I like to do with the cucumbers is I'll cut out the seeds that we have in the center right here. So to do that, what I just do is just score it out like that. And my dog absolutely loves these pieces, so I always just save them for him. Okay, so I hear the sauce coming to a boil, so I'm just gonna quickly put the tofu in now. So today I'm going to be using hoagie rolls. They look similar to French baguettes. The supermarket I went to only had the super long French baguettes, and I wanted these more sort of like single serving loaves. So here we are using hoagie rolls today. So I'm just gonna pop these into my air fryer for a couple minutes at maybe 325. So here is our teriyaki glazed air fried tofu. If you want them to be crispier, yeah, you could just leave them in the air fryer for a bit longer. So before I add in the filling, I'm going to line the inside of the loaves with some vegan mayo. I have this one here by Follow Your Heart. Next, I'm going to add in tofu, and I like to add just 4 strips, but of course, if you prefer more protein, you can add in more. Alright, next would be cucumbers. My homemade pickled daikon carrots. And we have here our cilantro. And typically from this point, they're all ready to be consumed. However, anybody who knows me knows I love my condiments. I always need to have some extra sauce in anything I'm eating. So what I like to add in to banh mi are these two. So I have hoisin sauce, and then for a little bit of spice, some sriracha.